We have another listing for sale. This is 45,176 square meters. It's a titled property. Titulado ni siya, guys. Located in Barangay Nueva Vida, Carmen, Bohol. Approximately 5 kilometers from Chocolate Hills. So imagine that's only 5 or 4 to 5 kilometers from Chocolate Hills. So, ano siya, guys, no? Actually, guys, the property we are selling has no yet road right of way. But according to the owner, kanang akong kuyog, the one with us, the owner, this situation, no, that you can see the small open like a road is the proposed road. So proposed road na siya, guys, no, going to the barangay road. They have already signatures, no, to open the road, and it is possibility that this year will be open. So ang road ani, guys, but pasabot nako na anay na signan na signa na pirmahan nila ngadto sa barangay or sa munisipyo nga ilang i-agree na mga tao. All people have agreed already to those kanang magian sa road. So okay sa niya, guys, because this is just only 60 pesos per square meter. Barato ra kayo. Majority of the property is flat terrain. So flat terrain then, but you can see the Chocolate Hills beside, and there are 2 Chocolate Hills were already included of this property na nasulod sa yuta, no. So mao ni siya ang sitwasyon, guys, no. Then there are coconut trees also. This is an interior land, so this can be ideal for farming like any kinds of crops, no. Lowland, there are portions of lowland, but if you can proceed, no, there are also uplands. Chocolate Hills cannot be developed, no, dili pwede ma-developan, but you can still go on farming beside of the Chocolate Hills. And this is really affordable. So kanang atong ipakita, no, kini mga sagbota, these grasses, no, according to them, that is also a herbal medicine. So it can be cure any kinds of kanang mga sakit, any kinds of sickness, especially cancer, no. Manay say nakanindot diri napita, no, kay naay mga there are kanang mga sagbot, there are grasses, native grasses that can be not useful, but in reality that is already a kanang pwede di siya for sickness. So anyway, we continue, no. As you can see, this is the running water came from the from the property. Gikan to sa property. And this is our drone video, guys, no. This is our drone video of the property. So that is included, guys, no, the open area, no. Kana you can see the mountain, Chocolate Hills. Beside of this Chocolate Hills, the one is part of the property. These rice fields are not part of the property. So dili na siya appeal, no. That is the neighborhood. This one. That is all the neighborhood. Kini siya, guys, neighborhood din siya, guys, no. That's open field. Open field. But there's still big like this, no, open field, which is part of the property. So this is really good, no. This is really good. Actually, the temperature of the property, especially at night time or in the afternoon time, on normal days, no. So this is one, because this is the situation of the property is rectangular, and the third mountain is included, no, nasulod yapon. Kana nga mountain, guys. Nasulod yapon according to it's included. So as you can see, there are open fields. You can have your you can have cow racing o sa ba buhi nimo. Bakahan ba ka diri? Babuyan or piggery, poultry. So nindot na ni, guys. As of now, it's really affordable, no? Because no proper road. But time come, I think the owner will change, no? Its price. So, mo na siya, guys, no? Nindot ni, guys, bugnaw ba yun, at least, no? Only few neighborhoods. Pero if you want to have your road, you can develop. So this is a small farmhouse. So it's part of the property. So kini man gud, guys, ato lang yung klarohon, no. Ang property nga atong gibaligya interior gini siya. Gikan sa karsada gyud nga magian og sakyanan, naagyod sa mga mulakaw gyud tag mga 250 meters gyud siguro, por siguro na gyud na 250 meters. Di na po siguro maabot og 300 kay naglakaw magyud mi, no. Unya kuan na gyud na siya kanang open field. May nakanindot, no, daghan kag mahimo diri kay pwede ka magbasakan sad. You go into rice farming. Yeah, the other go into mga other crops, no. So you can buy ATV, no, ATV. Pwede ka magpalit og ATV ug mao man gani para makasud gyud ka diri. Yan ang gigamit sa mga tourist bitaw, ATV man na. Mao na kasagaran, no. Kay mahilig man ni mga kasagaran mga tourist. Ya mahal kay ATV dito, guys, kay tag 1,400 per hour. So barato ra, imagine 60 pesos per square meter. We can still negotiate. No, pwede na to man-negotiate. This is good for investment, guys. Ma-invest pag pag yun, no. Nindot ni kay at least titulado gyud ba. Title siya. Ang mama buhi, mga anak buhi, din kuan ay patay isa ang papa. The father, the mother is still alive. Children are still alive, no. So gamay ray estate tax. So sabutan na, guys. Okay ra na, sabutan na siya. Di ba na lisod, kasabot lang. So mo ni naka-advantage. Kuan lang, guys, kanang from Tagbilaran City, it takes around 1 hour yun, no. 1 hour. Yeah, dire pasudlo nun. Okay ra man sad. Kuan lang yun siya. Pagkangan nga, it's in the middle of Bohol. Yeah. Bugnaw, cool place. Even though no proper roads, but you can still have this into an investment. Okay, barato ra man gyud siya because it's very cheap, affordable. So mao gyud ni akong ka-advise ani. Pwede ni siya paliton for investment or pwede na siya ipa-farm nimo kasi ibutang nimo diha. Ang pag-adto lang kay medyo maglakaw gyud ta. Mga gikan sa barangay road, mga 250 meters gyud. So mao gyud na siya, guys, no. You will walk from the barangay road, but if you can use some kind of car nga kanang ATV lagi, sakto lang ATV. So may meaning ng ATV ba sa mag-video ko ron sa ATV. So again, the size is 45,176 square meters, located in Barangay Nueva Vida, Sor, Carmen Bohol. So this is the ETB. Mo ni ang mga ETB guys, daghan kayo no. Nasa kilid ni sa Chocolate Hills nga location. Ato lang gi kuan man gigamiton sa mga tourist. These are ETBs. Bohol ETB. So mo ni gagamiton. So kung mao ni gamiton nimo, paingon dito sa property kini okay kayo kini siya. Mga ETB daghan kayo palit lang kag usang buok ana. Mao ni gamiton nimo paingon sa property, sigurado kung maka okay na na.